Hi, my name is Nigel. I'm a director of GamesQuest, and we are an online e-commerce company that we sell board games, toys and collectibles and gifts, and we ship absolutely worldwide. Myself and my wife actually started about 12 years ago buying and selling games from car boot sales, second-hand games. After a while then we went into partnership with a friend of ours and we started selling brand new games on eBay, and then eventually after we invested into an e-commerce software, we then managed to expand that out from eBay to Amazon, to our own website, and then to what I would say global domination in the toy market, hopefully. We have remote workers, so we have people who work virtually because of the software that we use and the technology that we use. We can access it from anywhere, provided we have internet access. And also we have our dedicated warehouse staff who process all the orders through. We have our very good customer services team headed up by our business partner. And then we have purchasing and we have accounts as well. Well, Carpenter Box have allowed us to focus on what we're good at. You know, we're not accountants, obviously. And in fact, when we first started, we became what I would term Excel slaves. And right from that very word go, the business advice that they give us was amazing and allowed us to actually understand and expect what's going to come up in our first year and our second year and all of that sort of stuff. And that's continued on. So for example, when we moved from a partnership into and incorporated into a limited company, you know, without their advice and guidance, it would have been an absolute minefield. They're incredibly prompt. They introduced us into a software called Xero, which moved away from Sage. It streamlines the whole process of accounts that we kind of do and saves an enormous amount of time. If it wasn't for Carpenter Box and Xero, for example, I'd probably have to employ 2 or 3 people, whereas we employ one person, and she's able to actually keep on top of accounts incredibly easy and absolutely able to contribute in other avenues of the business because her time is freed up because of the advice and guidance and the technology that Carpenter Box provides. Our business is seasonal, so 45% of our revenue is done at the end of the quarter around the Christmas period, as you would expect. It's always a case of catch up. So what we decided to do is to raise some capital investment in order to bring in more staff, in order to list more products and get more stock. And they helped us achieve that, in terms of getting the right people to invest in our company and advice and guidance around not only for us, but for the investor as well. Carpenter Box is a big company, but they don't act like a big company. They mold themselves into what you need as a business, rather than saying, this is what we provide, come and use us because we can do all this for you. Carpenter Box will come and say, what do you need? They will dovetail their services into what you as a company you need. If you want a bookkeeper, go and find a bookkeeper. If you want a partner that's going to help you develop your company, then you go to somebody like Carpenter Box.